All right, two more practice problems. So we have the height of a tree is measured every year. What's the rate of change? Answer in a complete sentence. All right, so we have a picture and it says year 1, 30 feet, year 2, 35 feet, and year 3, 40 feet. So again, they've given us 3 ordered pairs. So let's list them out. So the first one, the x is going to be the time. Usually time is always your x value. So it's 1, 30, and then 2, 35, and 3, 40. I can kind of do this math in my head, but I'm going to get in the practice of using the slope formula. So I'm going to use the first 2 points. So x1, y1, x2, y2, slope formula, 35 minus 30 over 2 minus 1. My slope is 5 over 1, but 5 what and 1 what? 5 feet for every 1 year. We want to know what these numbers stand for, but they told me to answer in a sentence. So what is the rate of change? So the height of a tree grows 5 feet per year. And that is answering this question in a sentence. One more before our exit ticket. Okay, so we have this table. It shows the number of meters Misha walked during several time intervals. So how fast was she walking? Speed is a rate of change, okay? So they're asking us for her rate of change. So I'm going to go ahead and call this x1, y1, x2, y2, plug it into the formula, 750 minus 500 over 5 minus 3 gives me 250 over 2, but I know I can reduce that if I divide by 2 over 2. So I get 125 over 1, 125 what? Meters over 1 minute. So I'm just going to find the answer choice that matches up with that. It's not 3/5. C, D is thinking I was going to mix it up and put my X's on top, but it's C. She traveled 125 meters per minute. Remember, for the exit ticket, you're just going to write 125, or you can write 125 over 1. Do not put M equals, and you don't have to put the labels. Just put the numbers to make sure you don't get it marked wrong by accident.